Life as a kid growing up in Bududa was very, very difficult. We had to walk about 3 miles to reach a school, and even then the schools that we went to growing up in Uganda were very poor. Dirt floors, often no desks or chairs in the classrooms, and you were lucky to have a teacher in the classroom. On any given day, a teacher may or may not show up. So going to school was no fun at all.
Meet John Wanda, founder of Arlington Academy of Hope. John grew up in one of the poorest areas of all of Uganda, the Bududa district.
Everything in Bududa is difficult. No good schools, no health clinics, no services at all, no roads, no electricity. Most of the people who live in Bududa are peasants.
After growing up in poverty, John and his wife Joyce won a lottery that allowed them to start a new life in America.
We obviously had lived our lives without ever thinking that we could come to America. So within 2 months of arriving here, we had a second child, and it was amazing. Our first walk into an American classroom, seeing how organized it was. Every kid had a desk where they were sitting. They had a chair and a desk where they were sitting. There were actually 2 teachers in the classroom. There were books all around the classroom, and the kids were happy and laughing and excited, and the teacher was laughing with them. This is something that we had never seen or imagined. And I remember saying to myself that very day, let's share this with our friends in Uganda.
And share he did. With the vision of a new type of school in his home village, John reached out for help. He reached out to friends, to coworkers, to family. He reached out to you. And together, we did something remarkable. Arlington Academy of Hope was founded to give the children of Bududa the chance they deserve. It's a school that provides a real learning environment, where students can collaborate, where students can enjoy the time they spend there. Your donations have allowed our students to have the supplies they need. Everything from books to computers to microscopes. Arlington Academy of Hope even offers all of its students a daily snack and a hot lunch, something most Ugandan schools are completely unable to do. It's a place where not only do students look forward to attending, it has proven results. Instead of only 4% of students reaching into a Division I secondary school, Arlington passes 72% of its students into First Division. For the first time ever, the children of Bududa are being accepted into top universities, and graduates are bringing new ideas and jobs back to their home village. We couldn't be more excited about the future, but we need your help to make this future a reality. The task ahead of us is big, but we've already proven it's doable from our past successes.
Our biggest achievement is not necessarily the numbers in academics or healthcare, the things that we have done. Our biggest achievement has been in the change of outlook of the local people. From a point where they were despondent, they had given up, they really didn't care what happened to them or their kids or their future, because nothing had worked for them. Since we began working in this area and shown them what was possible, you should see the levels of optimism among the people, because the parents now believe that their kids can do it, the community believes that their area can be different. So the energy is on the ground on what is possible for them and their future is amazing. And we want to build on that because we want our people to know they're capable of making a change for themselves.